everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to Driving with John Chow. I just dropped Sally off from school. Today is her last day. It's just a half day. I have to pick her up again at 12 noon, and then instead of going home, we're going to Irvine for end of school party. Apparently, a lot of students, a lot of parents, they're all getting together at the Irvine Spectrum Center, and Dave and Busker, we're gonna throw a party. So hey, cool. All right, cool. So yeah, and since I live the .com lifestyle and I don't really work, so to speak, I can attend. Anyway, I want to continue with my series on starting an email marketing business, how to get started, how to maximize it, build lists, that kind of stuff. And today I want to talk about creating content for your email. Like that's a big question I get all the time. And like besides email, a lot of people ask me how do I create content for my blog? Same way. So creating content for your email is probably really even more important than creating content for your blog, because this is the content that's going to make you the money. It's gonna provide you with the final payout and stuff like that. Yeah. So the thing to keep in mind is the purpose of the email list. Your email list is designed to do three things. All right. Build a relationship between you and your subscriber, establish you as the authority or the go-to expert, and recommend products and solutions to solve their problems. Now, so your content should be based around those three things. That's basically it. So when you're crafting your email autoresponder, each email should contain at least one of those items, like build your relationship, establish you as an authority, and recommend products and solution. And if it doesn't have those things, then you should include it. You should include it, because that is the whole goal. That's the whole goal of your entire email campaign. But that's an autoresponder. What about general email? Like once in a while, you want to talk about after someone's gone through the autoresponder, they can put on your general list to receive your once a week mailing or once every few days emailing. What kind of content should you write for those? Well, the best content, of course, is still related to what you talk about, what your niche is, what industry you are in. So, if you're a YouTuber, or let's say if you're a travel blogger, or travel vlogger, the content should be based on that. So if you're at a new place, hey, you're now in Naples, Italy, or whatever, you could definitely send emails on that. So stick to your niche. Now, if you're having a problem coming up with content ideas, Aweber and Constant Contact has a feature called a blog broadcast, and this is it's kind of cool because it allows you to create content without you pretty much creating content. So if you have a blog, like I do, if you have a blog, you can take the RSS feed from your blog, because all blogs has an RSS feed. Take the RSS feed, enter that into Aweber. I believe Constant Contact has it as well. So you enter the RSS feed into Aweber Constant Contact, and they will take the feed and take your blog's content and turn it into a ready-made newsletter that automatically sends out. So you can say what's been happening with johnchow.com in the last week. So my blog podcast would show, like, here's what you've been missing at johnchow.com, and go, hey, your name, and go, here's the blog posts and interesting things happening at johnchow.com this week. And then it'll show, and then take the RSS and it'll show the headline of blog post 1, a little description, blog post 2, a little description, blog post 3, etc. for the last week. And every week it will automatically send it out to your list. So that's a way for you to create content, regularly ongoing content to your subscribers without having you to figure out what am I going to talk about this week, right? So for people going through your sales funnel, your content should stick to your three main things: build relationship, establish you as an authority, and recommend products and service to solve their problem. And for people outside of the sales funnel, once you've gone through the sales funnel, your content should be what your niche is about. Or if you want to just save time and energy, if you ever have a blog, take advantage of the blog broadcast feature and have your email service provider automatically create you the email that goes out every single week to your subscriber so they can stay up to date on what's happening with you and your blog. So there you go. That's how I do it. If you find that useful, give me a thumbs up. Please like and share the video. And if you're brand new, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because once I make a new video, you'll get notified and you can come watch it and be the first to comment and say, good job. All right, JohnJavaJohnShow.com. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.